Global food security.
Learning outcomes. Importance of global food security. Food security refers to a lack of access. Cultural appropriate. Why is good security such as a major of global challenges? Then the lastly is three main aspects of food security. Food is the basic human need of fundamental right of every human being. When we say food security, it means that all people at all times have physical and economic access to adequate amount of nutritious, safe, and cultural appropriate foods. The contradictory term for food security exists. It is called food insecurity, in which, as stated by Redimer 2002, food insecurity exists whenever the availability of nutritionally adequate, of safe foods, of the ability to acquire acceptable food in socially acceptable ways, in limited or uncertain. According to Food Forward 2019, food insecurity refers to a lack of access to enough, good, healthy, and culturally appropriate food. Why is food security such a major global challenge? Population growth. This varies considerably across countries. Changing taste. Not only is the population growing, but its diet is changing too. Climate change. Currently, 40% of world's landmass is arid, and rising temperatures will turn yet more of water scarcity. This is another impending crisis. 28% of agriculture lies in water-stressed regions. Rural farmers. In developed countries, less than 2% of people grow crops of bread, animals for food. The three main aspects of the food security. Number one is food availability. Having a sufficient supply of food available on a consistent basis. Number two is food access. Having a sufficient resources of often appropriate food for a nutritious diet. Number three is food utilization. Consuming a nutritious diet, people make appropriate foods. For the recommend, government should develop a new and expanded policy agenda for agricultural extension and communication. For rural development, focusing national attention of food security and income generation of the rural. Promote dialogue and cooperation among all the relevant institutions and programs in all sections with the aim of developing an institution and information services network for food security and income generation.